Hello, my Frugal Divas. It's Lisa Marie here, and I have another Ibotta haul for you. It is January 11th, 2018. I went to Walmart to get my level 2. I needed 15 rebates. There are 12 here, however, because I had already picked up 3 when I completed my level 1. I actually picked these up earlier in the week, but I've had a little bit of a cold and a cough that won't quit, and I did not want to make a video and go in a coughing fit halfway through, so hopefully I'll be okay just to get through these 12. All the coupons I used were internet printables, so I'll tell you where to get those from. And you can also search an internet printable database called lozo.com. That's lozo.com. I will leave a link in the description box. And that's where I get my printables from. So let's start with the Pinolin. Pinolin, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's a multi-purpose cleanser, and it is $2.47, and there's a $4.17 Ibotta rebate, making it a $1.70 moneymaker. The Crest toothpaste, I got the gel, is $2.47. There was a $2 coupon in the P&G, but I do not buy the newspaper, so I do not get P&G inserts. However, the Flip app, which has different like ads in it, and it has rebates, and they actually had a $2 rebate for the Crest toothpaste. So it's super easy. You can sign up for that, and there's no minimum cash out, and it gets deposited into your PayPal, which is super awesome. So I did that, and then there was a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, so that made that a 3-cent moneymaker. The Trivia, the Nectar, it's $3.18. There is a $2 internet printable on the Trivia website, and there's a $1.40 Ibotta rebate, making it a 22-cent moneymaker. The Del Monte Fruit Chia, it is $2.18. There is a $1 off internet printable at the Del Monte website. There's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making it 43 cents. Check your clearance section or check the regular makeup section. I seen in one of my Ibotta groups on Facebook that this L'Oreal lip gloss was on clearance for $3. And I found this in my store, so I picked this up. There's a $2 L'Oreal lip product rebate, so it made it just $1. I did not have any coupons. There might be coupons in a P&G or a, not P&G, a Red Plum, but I did not have those. The Tuna Creations, the Star-Kissed, they are on sale for $1 each, so you have to buy 2 of them. There's a $1 off internet printable at the Star-Kissed website, and there's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making it 75 cents for both of these. The Carmex, I did this again because it's cheap. It's 98 cents. There's a 35-cent internet printable at the Carmex website. There's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making it 38 cents. The Nutri-Grain bars, they are $2.68. I got the strawberry. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, and there's also a 75-cent Checkout 51 rebate. And there's a 25-cent any like cereal bar or energy bar rebate. So I made this just 93 cents, and that Checkout 51 rebate did reset for this week, so you can do this deal. I got these Butterball turkey sausages. They are $2.48. There is a 75-cent internet printable at the Butterball website, and there's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making it just 98 cents. The Crunch Masters, I got the sea salt. They are $2.68. There is a $1 internet printable on the Crunchmaster website. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making them just 68 cents. The Band-Aid, it is $1.99. There's a 50-cent internet printable on healthyessentials.com. And there's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making them 99 cents. The Neosporin was $3.97. There's a $1 off internet printable, again, on the Healthy Essentials website. There's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for it, making it $2.22. However, when you purchase Band-Aids and Neosporin, you get a $1.50 bonus. So it makes it just $1.71 for the Band-Aids and the Neosporin, which is pretty amazing. So I also hit my level 2, like I said, so that was another $1. And I had an any item 25-cent bonus. So these 12 items here, they retail for $30.08. I used $7.60 in internet printables. I got 75 cents back from Checkout 51, $2 back from the Flip app, and $15.82 back from Ibotta, for a total with coupons and rebates of $26.17, making it just $3.91 for these 12 items, or just 33 cents a piece. So not too bad. I hope you guys can get some of these deals for your Ibotta, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.